Okay, with this video, I'm going to add the entrance door and I'm going to add the interior doors to the model, okay? So as you can see, I have added all of the other exterior windows to the model, okay? I selected this one, okay, from the warehouse, and I sized it by scaling, okay? Okay. And then since this opening and this opening and this opening and this opening are the same, what I did after I placed it and then I scaled it, okay, got it in position, then I copied it, okay, copied it to here, and then I rotated it, okay, and then inserted it, okay. Let's do some extents. And then once that one was placed, I copied this one to here. Okay. Then I copied this one out here and I rotated it. Then I placed it, okay. Then I copied this one from here to here. And because it is a different size, I scaled it, okay, got it in position. Then I copied this window from here to there, okay. So that's how I did the exterior windows. So now I want to add my entrance door. So what I want to do is go to the warehouse, okay, and I want to search for entrance door, my front door, okay. And it's giving me, let me expand this. It's giving me several options, of course, because the house, my design is more traditional. I'm looking for more of a traditional entrance door, okay? So these are all contemporary, okay? I don't have a side light, so I don't have a side light, okay? All right, so I'm gonna go down, okay? Okay, okay, searching through, okay, searching through. I don't have a side light. Don't want to do that one. Okay. So let's do it this way. Don't like that one. Okay. That was more modern there. Okay. All right. Too traditional. Okay. All right. So I'm at the bottom. Let's see. Now I'm at the bottom. Okay, so I've looked at most of the examples. I'm gonna go back up here. I think I'm gonna choose this one. I'm gonna choose not that one. This one. I'm gonna choose this one. Okay. All right, so I'm gonna download it. Yes. And right now I'm gonna place it out here. Okay. Then I'm going to rotate it. Okay. Yep. So I'm going to rotate it. Just get it to the top. Okay. And that seems to be on axis. So I want to rotate it around this way. Let's put it on axis. Yep. Should be on axis. Let's see. All right. So now I want to move it. And I want to be kind of like specific about my point to move it. Okay. I'm going to go move. And I'm going to, let's move it. Oops. Skip out of that. Okay. I want to be, okay. I want to move it. So I'm going to zoom in right here. A little bit more. Okay. Okay, a little bit more. And I want to move it from this point right back here, if you can see that. Right there. Actually, I want to move it. Do I want to do that? Yeah. I want to move it. Let's do it this way. I'll come out this side. Okay, I want to move it from this point right here. See that? Good. So let's do some extents. Let's come back over here. Okay. Let's do some extents again. Right there. Cool. All right. Okay. The knob is on the right side because the door swings into the left. That's good. I see I got a little bit of scaling that I'll do right here because I see some daylight. Okay, so I want to see. Maybe it's the best way to do this from this side. Let's see. So let's come in here. Good. So let's sort of scale. Let's choose it. All right, I'm going to take this middle one right there. I'm going to push it up, bring it up, bring it up. There we go. I think that'll do it. Okay. Daylight's gone. All right, good. Looks good from the inside. Good. All right, so now my entrance door is done. So now I want to add these interior doors. Okay, these interior doors. And before I do that, as you can see, when you look on the sample drawing, this opening here is called the cased opening. It was a 3 feet wide, okay? I decided to expand the case opening, right, to give this floor plan more of an open concept, right? Instead of having this little narrow opening here, I widened it. So here's how I did it. So from here to here is 6 inches. So I simply came over here. I used my measuring tool, okay? And I came over here in this corner here. And then I gave myself a reference point right here, right? Right there. I gave myself a reference point. So that this door jamb and this door jamb will be the same. And then I simply push this surface back to that point, and that opened up the cased opening. Now you may elect to delete this wall in its entirety. It's up to you. Okay, so it'll be totally open, and you would have these jambs, or you may like the little separation that the door jamb gives you. All right, so that's your choice, but that's what I did. Okay, so now I want to add the interior doors. Okay, so I'm gonna go back to the warehouse, and I'm going to search for interior doors. Interior doors. Okay, good. Back to that. All right. So of course I have all these selections. Okay. So now I'm scrolling down. I want to find something that's kind of comparable to my entrance door, but not too much. I like this one right here. I like that one. Yeah, so I'm going to download that. Okay, yes. And what I'm going to do first, I'm going to place it out here someplace because I need to rotate it. Sometimes when you're inside the walls there, when you're going to rotate it, the walls kind of interfere. Okay, so I need to rotate this. So get it to the top. There it is. Okay, let's get it on axis. Okay, there it is. Then I want to rotate it again on axis. There it is on green axis. So now I can move it. And again, I'm going to be pretty specific as to the point from which I move it. So I'm going to go move. Okay. And then I want to come here, move from that point. I'm going to bring it in here, bring it in here, and I want to move it to right there. Okay. Of course, the door is too wide, so I'm going to scroll around this way. Okay, orbit, I keep saying scroll, but I meant orbit around this way. Okay, and then I'm going to use my scale tool here. Okay, and then I need to find the right one. Okay, this one right here. Okay, so I can take that and I can push it in, go past, bring it back a little bit. I think that'll do it right there. Okay, escape out of that. Okay. I'm going to scroll around. Okay, all right. Again, it's too high. It's too tall. So what I want to do, I want to go back to the scale tool. Okay, and then I want to choose right here. Oops. Let's skip out of that. Okay, I want to choose. I think that's what I want. Okay, I want to bring that down. Okay, let's try that again. Okay. There we go. I think that's it. Let's escape, see what it looks like. I don't think I have it yet. Look, okay, it looks pretty good from that side. Let's see what's happening with this side. Okay, let's try to scale that again. Oops, don't want to do all that. Okay, let's select it here. Okay, let's scale, of course. Okay, this one wants to be a little difficult. Let's see, because I think I'm getting the wrong point here. I think this is the one I want right here. There we go. Yeah, there we go. Good. Good. So since I did all that work, what I want to do, okay, I'm gonna save my drawing, save it. Okay, cool. Okay. But now, okay, and the knob is on the right side because this door swings inward against the wall. All right, so now that I have that one, I can copy this door, this opening right here. All right, so I need my move command. I'm going to hold down the control key, okay, and I want to move it from here. Oops, not that. Let me select. I want to select the door, okay. Then move. We'll hold down that control key. Let's see if I can copy it. Now there we go. Copy from here to right there. Good. All right, so let's skip out of that. How's that looking? Looking all right? What does that look like? I see right there. I don't know what that is. Let's see. Oh, I see why. I see why. Okay, I need to expand it a little bit more. Okay, let's go. Let's do some extents. It's coming out of here. Okay, I see what the issue is now. Okay, so let's go scale again. Let's choose this. Okay, And what I need to do right there, I need to pull this a little bit wider. Open. Let's see. Yeah. See, we have a little issue here. Let's see. Okay, start it again. Let's go here. I guess it is okay. Let's see. How does it look from the, it looks perfect from the, looks perfect from the other side. It's perfect. So I'm gonna leave it the way it is. It looks perfect from the inside. Yeah, all right. I think I'm splitting hairs here, but that's okay. Unless this line here can be removed. I'm not gonna worry about that, okay? But I am gonna worry about this. This door swing is on the wrong side. The hinges should be on the left. Okay, so I'm gonna select the door. Okay, select the door. Okay, right click, come down to where it says flip along, and I'm gonna flip it along the green axis. Good. You see that flipped the door hinge. So now the door is swinging correctly, okay, against the wall. Good. All right. So those doors are in. So now what I want to do, I want to add this bathroom door here. But I'm just going to copy this door. And I'm going to copy it. This door here, I'm going to copy it. Oops. So let me select the door. That would be helpful. Okay, good. So now I'm going to go move. Hold on my control key. And I'm going to copy it. Yep, I'm going to copy it out here. Cool. So that's going to help me. And now I'm going to rotate it. Oops, not there though. Right there. Okay. Double click, get it on axis. Seems to be. Okay, rotate it, rotate it, rotate it. On axis, good. So now I can just move it. And I'm going to again be very specific about my point in which I'm going to move it. So I'm going to see, look at that wall. Yep, I'm going to move it from here. And zero in here, zoom in there. Do zoom extents here. Okay, now zoom in, zoom in, zoom in, zoom in, put it right there. Good. The door is too wide, so I'm going to use my scale tool. Okay, select it. Okay. Oh, I need to be right here. Move it, move it, move it in, move it in, move it back out. That should do it. Okay. And the swing is right. Okay. So everything looks pretty cool with it. I still have a little issue here. I don't know what's going on with it. You know what? Oh, I see what's going on. I see what's going on. Okay, I see what's going on. So let me pause for a second and get that correct. Okay, I found out what my issue was. When I rotated this door, it was really off axis. So now that I just reinserted it and it's on axis, and everything looks beautiful, looks beautiful. And then I copied it from here to here. Cool. All right, so solve that problem. All right, so now I have I have a door here I have to add to. Okay. I have a bifold door here. Let's put this in first, and then I'll come back and I'll add that other opening to that closet. Okay, so now I'm looking for a bifold door. Now, you can use something other than a bifold door if you want to. If you want to use a sliding door for this closet right here, you may, because they're used for closet doors as well. But I'm going to put in a bifold like the sample drawing says. So I need to go to the warehouse and I need to search for bifold door. Okay, let's enter that, search for that, see what I get. Okay, I have some options. Okay, here's one I could use. It shows it open and it's kind of plain. Okay, I don't want to use that one. It's the right color, I think, but I don't want to use that one. Okay, let's go down and see what my options are. I could use a louvered. I don't want to use that either. This one's partially open. Okay, that one's louvered. I'm just curious about this one. Just curious as to how it looks. Of course, I would, if I were to use this, I would edit this component and delete these that I didn't need, but I'm not going to do that. I don't like that. Okay, let's go. Let's select it. Okay, seriously? Okay, I want to select it. Thank you so much. Okay, I'm going to go back to the warehouse. Okay. I think what I'm just going to do, I'm going to use this one right here. I know the color is a little bit off, but I like the design of it. And it's closed, so I'll just download this one. Okay, I'm going to come over here, put it out here initially, so I can rotate it. Good. On axis. Okay, let's get it on axis. There we go. So now I should be able just to move it. Okay. And I think I want to, let's do a zoom extent here. I think I just want to move it from, oh. Move it from, yep, that point right there. Let's get the right point. That point right there. And do zoom extension again. Okay. Here, so I can see it. Right there, that's good enough. See how it's looking against the floor? Good. So I'm going to do my little scale thing here, scale tool. And I want to move, which one? I just move this one, I think, same thing. Nope, I don't want to move that one. Less controls here under that. I think I want to go to the middle one. Okay, this one here. Good. Now that's better. I think that'll work. Skip out of that. Looks pretty good. I think it's a little bit still too high. It's too high. Let's go back to scale. All right, go back to scale. Inside that group, so it wants to. So I just put it all the way down. Good, that's close enough right there. I'll let that be close enough, okay? Good. It's looking good. It's not bad. See what's going on with that. I don't know why. Let's click on here. That's fine. That's fine. Okay, so I have the bifold door in, but I see I've missed a door into this closet right here, right here. On what side? That is a 2-hole door. All right. So what I want to do, okay, let's do zoom extents again. I want to come in here and I want to get inside the group for editing purposes. Edit group. Now I'm inside the group, so now I can add this opening. Let's just do a line midpoint here. Good. 6'8". Height. Okay. Axis 1 foot. Oops. Okay, let's see what's going on with that. Okay. On axis 1 foot. Good. Okay, down here. Good. Okay, back to the line. On axis. Axis 1 foot. Okay, bring it back down here. Good. I think this looks good. Delete the line I don't need. Okay, push in. Forward, well, all the way through. Okay, do I have a line there or something? What's going on with that? What is this line right here? Don't know what that is. Let's see if I can delete it. Yep, gone. Gone. Okay. I like the way this opening looks. Let's measure this. From here to here should be 2 feet. And it is. Okay. So I think what I want to do, see what this distance here is. from here to there, it's 3 feet, and from here to here, from here to here, 7 feet. Okay. So that's 10 inches total. So what I need to do is come over here, and I want to push this out by 2 inches. Okay. Push this one in by 2 inches. Now it's even. This jam and this jam is even. I'm going to measure it again to make sure it's 2 feet. Good, and it is. So now I'm going to get out of the group for editing purposes. Good. All right. So now this door in this bathroom here is also 2 feet. So let's see if I can just copy it. Here. I'm going to select the door. Move. Control, key down. Okay. Come on. Oops. Escape out of that. I don't know why that didn't move. Okay. That didn't work. There we go. Now it's copied. Okay. All right. I feel like I should save my drawing again. Let's save it. Good. Okay. Right, so let's rotate it. Rotate it. Okay, let's get it on axis. Good. Let's rotate it around. On axis, skip up. All right. So just double click. Good. All right. So now I can just move it. Over there. Should work perfectly because it's the same size opening. And it does. Okay. Except that the swing is wrong. So I can easily change that. I'm going to select it. Right click. Flip along green axis. See if that's going to work for me. There we go. All right. I know I just saved the drawing. I'm going to save it again. All right. Cool. So with that, I think we have all the doors added. And what I like about making this case opening here wider is that now when you open the front door, you can look through this wider opening and you probably can look right through these French doors and see what's going on. See what's going on in the rear yard, the deck, and all that. So it's kind of cool. Okay, it's kind of cool. Cool. I'll leave it. Okay. Stop that.